Hello everyone, welcome to Korea Software Service. I'm Leon, a Microsoft certified trainer, and I specialize in teaching AI. Today we are going to explore the fourth part of our Microsoft 365 Copilot series, Excel Agent Mode. Today we'll look at Agent Mode, a revolutionary change in Excel announced at Microsoft Ignite 2025. The Excel we used to know is no longer just a simple spreadsheet. In the past, Copilot was like a smart assistant that answered our questions. However, the new agent mode is an autonomous expert that sets and achieves its own goals. For example, we used to give step-by-step instruction like draw a chart using this data. But now you only need to give a final goal such as analyze the best strategies for next quarter's sales and complete the report. Then the agent reviews the data, plan the necessary analysis, and finishes the task on its own. The key to this change is autonomy, the ability to complete complex tasks without user intervention is the future of Excel. Now, shall we look at the internal principle to see how the agent handles this work? The agent is not just an AI that talks well. It behaves like a data expert uh, thanks to two key technical features. First is native Python integration. The agent can write and run Python code directly within Excel sheet. When complex statistics or machine learning are needed, the agent generated code in the background to get accurate result. The AI handles the coding process for us. Second is reasoning, also known as chain of thought. When the agent gets a task, it doesn't just give a quick answer. Instead, it organizes its thought step by step. It creates a logical path like step one, clean the data, step two, analyze correlations. What's more amazing is its self healing ability. If there is an error during execution, it fixes the code on its own, just like developer debugging. Because of this powerful calculation and logical reasoning, it feels like we are working with a personal data scientist right inside Excel. Finally, here is the most exciting part of this update. Users can now directly choose the model that will act as an agent's brain. Among the options, why is Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet getting so much attention? Many developers and data analysts uh, already rate Claude very highly for its coding skill and precise logic. When performing agent tasks involving complex Excel formulas or Python code, Claude provides very sophisticated and accurate results. Also, Claude is excellent at following instruction. Now we can use a multimodal strategy. For example, you can assign a creative task to one model and give complex coding analysis to Claude. depending on the job. Of course, all of this happens safely within Microsoft security guidelines. That's it for this theory. And now let's see how to actually select a cloud in Excel and analyze complex data together. For more information on Microsoft certified training courses, please contact Korea Software Service. Thank you for watching.